Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 free AI tools you can start using right now. Whether you're into content creation, coding, or just exploring the AI world, these tools have got you covered. Let's go. First up, we've got ChatGPT by OpenAI. Need help writing, brainstorming, or even coding? ChatGPT is like having a virtual assistant for everything, and the free version is super powerful. Next is DALL. Turn your ideas into amazing images in seconds. Whether you're a designer or just want to have fun with art, DALL's free version gives you plenty of creative freedom. Ever struggled with translating languages? DeepL Translator uses AI to make translations accurate and easy. It's one of the best out there, and it's free. For all the video editors and creators out there, check out Runway ML. It's a AI for video editing, effects, and even creating animations all for free. And finally, Notion AI. It helps you organize, plan, and write faster using AI within your notes and documents. A lifesaver for productivity fans. That's it, 5 awesome AI tools you can use for free today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which one you'll try first. See you next time.